Hey girl, hey! Welcome to my channel. This is BW2 and I am doing a hair review for Jessie's selection. This is a 5x5 closure wig, 14 inches, 180 density, and she's real cute. She's highlighted. They also gave me wig caps as well as lashes and a little maintenance guide. When I first pulled her out of the packaging, she was real bouncy and curly. I did bleach the knots, but it's really not necessary. You probably can just, use some makeup, lace tint, something like that. But yeah, watch me install this hair.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
So 25 minutes was way too long. 20 minutes probably would have been good, but I definitely over bleached the knots, but you can fix it with eyeshadow, and I did a little plucking as well.
Yo, Emil, anybody do that answer nasty up and them nasty up? Fix things.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. Italy, got too far, hope they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Percocet play on me. I saw my nigga, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep, on fleek. My nigga spit on that patty for leave. Got my dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the family. My walk around like Krs. Jenner. I used to break in the Emil, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Go on that bit, then I tell him. A nigga for me to take pictures. Not from my label, I clip him. Double market for a triple. Boss on my body, no people. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take off landing on Nebula. I think 2 niggas on my schedule.
Woo! Look at braids.
Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. Italy, got too far, hope they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek. I know these niggas get sick of me, they chasing my neck cause I'm near the piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free, I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free, I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me, I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag, they get the back, have to cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible talk, my dough got a vertical, look at that how. And then jump out the pot, came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby, middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby, just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated, too fine that I... Congratulations, she brought me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it. I don't with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby. I rap, but I own all my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby. I pull up and choke up the traffic, baby. A savage, baby. I'm killing these niggas, close casket, baby. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hope they deal me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Okay, let me apologize for the quality switch up because I had to use my phone. But this is the next day. I just wanted to show you how I did my edges. And you should not be flipping your edges up. You should flip them in towards your face. I just learned that. But anyways, I used a mini flat iron as well as some mousse. And I just wanted to show you how I did my edges. But they were way better the day before. Like this day I didn't even glue the wig down or anything, and I was struggling. So you're gonna see how I exit from the scene because I had to finish this off camera. It was a struggle. It was not given, but yeah. Also, thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. Love you. Bye. See you later. Love you. Bye.
Nigga to drive for me. Jessie couldn't even co-sign for me. I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the back. They get the back, have to cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible top. My dough got a vertical, look at that hop. And it jump out the pot. Came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby. Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby.